If you're looking to install a set of lights on your JL Wrangler, today we're going to be installing these Baja Designs lower A-pillar light brackets fitting your 2018 JL Wrangler. These Baja Designs lower A-pillar light mount brackets are going to work perfectly on your 2018 JL Wrangler. Since the JL changed up its windshield format, you can no longer bolt them on directly to the windshield, so this solves this problem perfectly. It includes all the brackets necessary with the necessary hardware. It's going to work obviously with your Baja Designs lights, but it'll also work with many other aftermarket brands. With that being said, we're going to get them installed on our 2018 JL Wrangler. The first step of this installation is to remove the two bolts that hold on this cowl panel right here. You're going to use a T30 Torx bit socket, so let's get started. And you can set these aside, you will not be reusing them. Now this is going to be your passenger side bracket. As you can tell, it goes towards the windshield and then up. This is going to mount your light as close to the windshield as possible. Now you're going to take the two included spacers and set them into the holes here. Try to line them up a little bit before you set the bracket down. After you have them in about the right spot, you're going to place the bracket over them. Use the included hardware with a washer over top of it. And I'm just going to get the threads started underneath. Do the same up front here. Go ahead and get them tightened up with a 10mm socket. Get that front one snugged up, then we'll move on to the back. After they're both snugged up, we're going to repeat the same process on the other side. So we've got our Baja Designs lower pillar brackets fully mounted up, and they look really awesome. Just to show you what a light looks like on this, we've got our Baja Design Squadron Sport on this side. The other side is bare, allowing you to add any other light you'd like to. Now you can find these light brackets as well as many other great light mounting solutions for your JL right here at cjponyparts.com.